So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of scenes right here. And let's say I want to export this out as an image sequence. So image sequence is something that you export as if your target is to actually edit out the video that you produce in another software later on, like Adobe Premiere Pro and other video editing softwares. So to do that, you need to go around onto File, and then you need to go around onto Export and select Movie over here. So once you do that in the movie format, you can select JPG, Targa, or Portable Network Graphics, as you can see right here, which is PNG, and it supports transparent background over here as well. So I'm just going to go around and select Targa, which is a high quality image, and you can also go around and export it out as JPG if you want a compressed image file. So I'm just going to go around and select Targa, and you can go around, select out different resolutions right here and color space, and you can export out the entire project or scene over here as well. So you can go around and burn in different things right here and work around with camera grids over here as well, just like this, and change around the caption according to how you want. So now I'm going to just go around, and then I'm going to go around onto desktop and create a new folder on the desktop right here. So I'm going to select this folder and click on export. And what happens is that the file will be exported as Targa sequence, just like this. So you can see that the export is completed, and you can see the Targa files right here. So these are all images right here. So these are in Targa format right here, just like this. You can also export this out as JPEG. So I'm just going to go around and export this as movie file right here. So now what I'm going to do is, instead of Targa, let me select JPG. You can also go around and add in file pattern right here. So let me just go around and add in tube right here, _01, just like this. And then what you can do is, I'm just going to select the same folder and click on export. And what happens is that now again everything gets rendered out as a JPG sequence right there. So it's generating out all the images, as you can see right here, and all the files have been exported, and there you go. You can see that this is what you have, and this is the file name, as you can see right here. And these are all individual frames right here. So you can see that these are individual images right here with timecode built in. So you can bring all of these in a particular editing software and edit them out as a video. And that is how you can export out image sequences from within Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.